All right, what's up, everybody? I'm gonna go over today's price action. I took a stupid trade today. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why I took a trade today, but I also want to go over the mistakes that I can fix, and I just want to show you guys. And I also want to have this video for reference when I get a little bit more experience, because we all can always get experience in whatever we're doing. And I just want to also be able to watch this video so I can just fix this problem. But I took a trade after 10:30. My rules usually is if I don't see a setup between 9:50 and 10:30, I shouldn't trade at all. But today I don't know. I got to learn how to fix. I was stuck on the market going down today. I had a bearish bias, and I wasn't looking anything to trade off of if it wasn't a bearish bias. And today the market just kept continuing going up in the other direction, and I got to figure out how to fix that and learn how to adjust my bias so it can be bullish. That doesn't mean I'm just looking to take a trade every time I'm looking at the market. It's just I need to be looking at both sides of bullish and bearish, and just be able to be more experienced and see these trades instead of missing out on them and then taking a stupid trade because I missed out on the big move already. So I'll be showing you the trade I took first, which is I thought price was going to sweep these. I think these are Asian. Yeah, these are Asian highs. I had Asian highs marked out, London lows, and then I had Asian lows. I had the same thing on NASDAQ also, as you can see. But price kept continuing up as soon as the market opened up. So market kept going up on NASDAQ too. NASDAQ swept out Asian session highs in this 4-hour high, which we had marked up here too on ES. It swept those out around, what time is this? 10:05 a.m. And then ES was still around, yeah, it didn't even sweep out Asian session highs over here on this chart yet. But I don't know what I should have done in the beginning. Well, actually, let's go back. I saw price get up to here towards Asian session highs on ES, and I thought we were going to get a sweep down because what time is this around here? Like 10:15. Yeah, like around 10:15 we were coming into this 1-hour imbalance on NASDAQ. So I thought price was going to go down a little bit, and I thought it was going to fill in this 15-minute imbalance that we had, and I'll mark that out with a 15-minute time frame. There was a 15-minute imbalance right here, and as you can see, we went into the 5-minute. I saw. Let's go in here. I'm gonna delete equilibrium. So I saw it come up, price come up into here. We got a reaction off of it down here, and then I saw a retrace right at this area. So I scaled down into the 1-minute, which I should have just waited for 5-minute confirmation. I should have waited for an inverse fair value gap or a break of structure on the 5-minute first, instead of just taking a trade going down into the 1-minute. I got to learn just to not take a trade off of a retracement. But I went down into the 1-minute, and then as you can see, we get the retracement here. Price comes up. We ended up invalidating this bullish fair value gap, and then I also marked out equilibrium from, pretty sure from these highs. Hold on, the magnet's on. From these highs to these lows over here, and then price got a reaction up into this inverse fair value gap, and then we had selling pressure out of it, and I ended up taking the trade off this candle, and then I put my stops. My stop loss above this high right here, because I thought if price was just going to end up breaking that means we're just going to continue going up. So I set my stop loss above that high, and then I put my take profit at the 50% level of this 15-minute imbalance. And then as you could see, it was looking good, and then all of a sudden price ended up continuing up because there wasn't 5-minute time frame confirmation that we were going to continue down to the downside. So I just I deserved this loss, but I didn't take much. I was going for a 1 to 2 risk to reward on this trade. I still de-risked like 75% of what I usually do because I knew it was close to 10:30, and I just didn't want to risk because it just wasn't looking good for the day, and there was already a big move up, and I just didn't want to risk much money in this trade. But I saw my setup, and then I wanted to take it, but I just needed to fix what I was looking at on the 5-minute. I need to start looking for at least a break of structure and an inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute first to show me that price is going to continue down, or an S&T But I'll also be going over those videos in the future. But I'm just trying to show you guys this trading recap right now. But what I noticed when I came back, I left my computer for about like an hour and a half. I went to the gym and I just wanted to refresh my brain. I came back and looked at price action today, and I totally missed something in the beginning. So I went back, and as you can see, if we go into the 1 hour time frame on ES, go to today if we can find it. Yep. Okay. We created a new low around 9 a.m. I don't know why I didn't mark that out. I totally missed that. So this would be a 1 hour low right here. And then we had this breaker block right over here. So as you can see, market opens, we came back down and we had this breaker block over here. If we go to the 5 minute, you can see price perfectly dips into that breaker block, and then we get a break of structure to the upside. And this is on market open too. Market open, and then my manipulation phase ends at 9:50. So I'll mark this blue. Then we get a break of structure to the upside. And then what I should wait for after that, then I wait for my retracement. We get our 5 minute retracement right here with this red candle. Then I could have scaled down into the 1 minute. And we see NASDAQ also came up and took out Asian session highs and these 4 hour highs before we're even close to them yet. So I should have been thinking, oh, okay, we're probably going to go up and target those highs at least. But as you see, we get this retracement right here. Yeah, this gets invalidated right here, this bullish fair value gap. But price comes back up. We disrespect it again. We get a break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute again. And then we look for our confluences, which we had this fair value gap right here. We also had this fair value gap. And you can see price just perfectly dipped in. We had bullish, we had buying pressure out of that. We could have taken this trade right at this candle. I would have put my stop loss most likely at the end of, at the low of where this fair value gap was created. So that'd be this candle right here. We'll mark that right here. We can make that red for you guys so you see. So that would be my stop loss, and then I would have targeted Asian highs. And look, that would have been a perfect 1 to 2.45 risk to reward ratio right there. And it would have hit in the matter of, let's see, hit right here, 10 minutes. So, I mean, I know what I have to fix. I just got to start incorporating this into my live market trading. But I see my mistake today. That's number one. Number two, I know why I shouldn't have taken that trade. It was past my time. There wasn't a setup. There wasn't a 5 minute break of structure, inverse fair value gap, and then a retracement. I just went down to the 1 minute off of just a retracement. But from now on, I'm just going to look for a 5 minute break of structure, 5 minute inverse fair value gap, 5 minute SMT, and then I'll align it with my bias. So I just got to learn how to not focus on, like today, I started trading and I was like, all right, I think price is going to sweep this Asian session highs, and then we're going to continue down and take out this 1 hour low, and then there was Asian session lows and London session lows over here. But no, I mean, it's the market, guys. I was totally wrong today, but my mistake was I need to learn how to change my bias if it's showing me that we're going to continue bullish the whole day. Because I feel like after going back and seeing this, it's just, since I'm going back and testing it now and I see where the market went, it's just right in front of my eyes, and I should have saw that, but we'll just end up fixing that when the next couple days come by, or weeks or whatever. We're just going to keep focusing on getting better and better, and just trying to evolve as a trader, and hopefully I can help you guys evolve as a trader too and become a profitable trader. But I started trading on Kick. I'm going to start doing it 2 to 3 times a week. I took this trade live today, me losing this trade, so you guys could have saw that. But I'm also going to start transferring over to my real Instagram, which is Travis Mastro Giovanni. I'm just going to keep all my posts on that. I'll also keep Mastro Futures on it too, but I'll just collab both of the posts together. But I'm mainly going to focus on my main account because I feel like it's just going to be better posting stuff on that. So, but I hope you guys learned a little bit in this video. I mean, today I made a mistake in trading. You're going to have losses. I knew I had to risk less, and I didn't lose that much. I risked like 0.2% of my account, so I didn't risk too much. So hopefully you guys learned a little bit on that, and hopefully There's a trade we could take tomorrow, and I'll post a recap on that tomorrow if we get one. But we'll just leave that at here, and then I'll also be posting an educational video this weekend also. We'll just leave it with that, and then that'll be it. But appreciate it, guys.